Hey, good morning, friends. Jeff back from Bygone Classics. You can hear the excitement in my voice. Going to do a cold start on a new one that we're going to have for sale here shortly. 69 Camaro Z28. This car has its born with DZ302 engine. Canadian docks for this one as well. Completely restored, beautiful restoration, factory Cortez Silver, black striped car. Before you yell at me and ask me why the only video I have is showing the dash, take a look at our channel. Take a look at the other videos. We prefer to post shorter videos and have 7, 8, 9, 10 of them rather than 1 hour-long video. So let's go ahead and let's fire this one up. Again, cold start. It's cold here in Wisconsin. It's 26 degrees right now. We're going to let this thing warm up, but we're going to let you hear it idling here for a second. Give us a holler if you have interest. I don't expect this one to last long. Take care.